Are you tired of trying to lose weight and not seeing any results? In this video, we'll reveal 30 unhealthy foods you should avoid to shed those extra pounds. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about sugary drinks like soda and fruit juice. These are loaded with calories and provide no nutritional value. Stick to water, herbal tea, or black coffee instead. Next up are white bread and pasta. These refined carbs can cause blood sugar spikes and make you feel hungry sooner, leading to overeating. Opt for whole grains whenever possible. You might think that granola bars and cereals are healthy, but most are packed with added sugars and unhealthy fats. Choose low sugar, high fiber options, or make your own at home. Frozen meals may be convenient, but they're often loaded with sodium and artificial ingredients. Cook from scratch when you can, or look for healthier frozen meal options. Processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats are high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and preservatives. Stick to lean proteins like chicken, turkey, or plant-based options. Fried foods like French fries, onion rings, and fried chicken are high in calories, unhealthy fats, and often contain harmful chemicals from the frying process. Opt for baked or grilled alternatives. Commercial salad dressings can be high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Make your own with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs or choose low-calorie store-bought options. Don't be fooled by the healthy image of veggie chips. They're often just as unhealthy as regular chips due to added fats and sodium. Stick to fresh veggies with a healthy dip instead. While alcohol in moderation can have some health benefits, excessive consumption can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Limit your intake and choose lower-calorie options when you do indulge. Fast food is usually high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium. If you need a quick meal, look for healthier options like a grilled chicken salad or a veggie-packed sandwich. Store-bought baked goods like cookies, cakes, and pastries are loaded with unhealthy fats, refined sugars, and empty calories. Satisfy your sweet tooth with fresh fruit or homemade, healthier treats. Candy, especially the kind made with high fructose corn syrup, is a major source of empty calories and offers no nutritional value. Choose dark chocolate or natural sweeteners like honey instead. Energy drinks may give you a temporary boost, but they're loaded with sugar, artificial ingredients, and too much caffeine. Try green tea or a small cup of black coffee for a healthier pick-me-up. Processed snack foods like chips, crackers, and popcorn are often high in sodium and unhealthy fats. Opt for whole food snacks like nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit. Refined sugar is a major contributor to weight gain and should be limited in your diet. Use natural sweeteners like honey or stevia and enjoy sweet treats in moderation. Instant noodles and canned soups may be quick and easy, but they're often high in sodium and artificial ingredients. Make your own soups and noodle dishes with fresh ingredients instead. Ice cream is a delicious treat, but it's also high in calories and unhealthy fats. Choose healthier options like frozen yogurt or sorbet, or make your own fruit-based frozen treats. Store-bought fruit smoothies often contain added sugars and unhealthy ingredients. Make your own at home with fresh fruit, veggies, and a healthy liquid like water or almond milk. Packaged, flavored oatmeal often contains added sugars and artificial ingredients. Opt for plain oats and add your own natural sweeteners and toppings like nuts and fresh fruit. Commercially made sauces and condiments like ketchup, barbecue sauce, and mayonnaise can be high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Make your own or choose healthier store-bought versions. Diet sodas may be calorie-free, but they contain artificial sweeteners and other unhealthy ingredients. Stick to water, herbal tea, or black coffee for your beverages. Movie theater popcorn may be a tasty snack, but it's loaded with unhealthy fats and sodium. Make your own air-popped popcorn at home and season it with herbs and spices. While cheese can be a good source of protein and calcium, processed cheese products are high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial ingredients. Stick to natural, whole cheeses in moderation. Highly processed breakfast cereals are often loaded with added sugars and unhealthy ingredients. Choose whole grain, low sugar cereals, or make a nutritious breakfast with oats, yogurt, and fresh fruit instead. Opt for low-fat dairy products like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, as they provide essential nutrients without the extra calories and unhealthy fats found in full-fat options. Opt for healthier snack options like raw veggies, hummus, or whole grain crackers to curb your cravings without sabotaging your weight loss efforts. Stay away from artificial sweeteners, which can actually increase cravings for sugary foods and hinder your weight loss journey. Stick to natural alternatives like stevia or honey. Avoid prepackaged diet or low-fat foods, as they often contain hidden sugars and unhealthy ingredients that can sabotage your weight loss progress. Stick to whole, natural foods instead. Finally, ditch the sugary coffee drinks and opt for black coffee or herbal tea. This simple swap can save you countless calories and sugar in the long run. In conclusion, making healthier choices and avoiding these 30 unhealthy foods will significantly improve your weight loss journey and overall well-being. Stick to natural, whole foods for the best results. So, let's commit to making healthier choices and ditch these unhealthy foods for good. Embrace a balanced, nutritious diet and watch those extra pounds melt away. Don't forget to exercise regularly and stay hydrated to complement your healthy eating habits, as this will further enhance your weight loss success and overall health. Remember, consistency is key in achieving your weight loss goals. Stay focused, make mindful food choices, and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.